I've got ZOPO Speed 7 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now you should scroll down and click on display, then go to wallpaper, so it's the second tab, and it's time to check the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be gallery, one of live wallpapers, photos, or wallpapers album. So let me pick the last option. And now you can select the picture that you like the most. So let me pick, for example, this one, or maybe that one. Then click on Set Wallpaper. And as you can see, from now on, your brand new wallpaper is covering the home screen. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.